Back at it again, another video, another day, another car, guys. We have this beautiful Q60 in, entire wrap on it. You guys can see it has a sick aftermarket side skirt. Josh is just here taking apart the door handles, getting these guys out. This is the color we're gonna be going for this one. Beautiful 3M 2080 and light green, something like that. It's gonna look sick. We got a lot of goodies for this car. See in here. Nice gloss black rims are going to be going on. He already has a ducktail on the back, but we're going to be replacing it with a new one. Going to be doing some chromery, just blacking everything out. You guys can see they're all chipped up and everything, so we're going to be doing those the exact same color as the wrap, so it's going to be a nice new look. He also has this front lip that took some damage, so we're going to be replacing this with a new one as well. Over here, guys, you can see these are the parts. So this is the rear diffuser we'll be installing with the third brake light. And then I believe this is the new ducktail spoiler that's gonna be going on. Shop is packed. We got the M3, it's finished. The TT is completely finished. We're just waiting for a couple more parts for the front. I need some spacers to clear the front brakes because we got the aftermarket wheels over there. Everything in. We just gotta get the mirrors back in as well. Door handles in. Top half of the car fully wrapped nicely. M3's all finished, so shop's a little crowded right now. We're organizing, trying to move some stuff around. Just ended up wiping all the car down, just giving it a quick wash. You guys can see just there's a lot of dirt when the car got dropped off the other day. It was all the snow was melting, it was raining. So it's just nasty all over the road. So we're just kind of letting it dry up right now. You can see it's still dirty, but all the dirt is off, so we can just clean it with alcohol. Nice update. We got the car cleaned up. We've just been ripping panels off. Door handles are off. We have all emblems removed. We took the duck bill off. We need to get the tail lights out of the car. We have top part of the roof rail removed. We're gonna have to take the antenna off to wrap the roof. The front bumper we're gonna deal with a different day, but we're gonna have to drop this lip. This one is broken. We're gonna be putting a new one on, like I was saying, and we're gonna have to take these grills out so we can wrap cleanly all the way in there. You can see we have all of our panels that we have removed off the car labeled nicely over here, and we'll be wrapping them up. You guys know how it is. I already got the hood laid out. Hard to tell just one panel, but you just can tell this car is gonna look nuts. It's gonna be one of one for sure. Nice thing with the 3M too is it's got the cap shield, so when you go ahead and squeegee it, it's not actually gonna be scratching the vinyl itself. There's the shielding on top, which is nice. We'll pull all of it off and the vinyl will be untouched. We have both fenders. Josh and I are just laying one side each. You guys can see it's starting to come together. Give you guys a little peek. Corner game's on point. Alright guys, everything laid on both sides. You guys can see how shiny it is. It's looking nice and sharp. All corners tucked. So now we're just moving on to the driver's side. We went ahead and cut out all the pieces. So we're just giving this one final wipe down. We have the doors cut out already, and we're gonna go ahead and lay those. guys, we got the door handles laid. We put some gloss black over the chrome strips just to give it a nice accent. Got 2 of them laid. Got 2 more we gotta get laid. We got the door on the driver's side on, mirror off the car. This full side is wrapped. As you can see, this entire side is finished. So pretty much half the car got wrapped. You guys can see this is where we're at right now. We got the car up on the hoist. We got Josh just banging out the side skirts here. We got this other Volkswagen that's in for full wrap as well. It was just dropped off today. But rear end's looking sharp. We got the rear taillights back in. All that wrapped. You guys can see door handles all back in, and we did nice gloss black accents on the chrome piece. So it looks really sharp. Car's up in the air. The side skirts were on. You guys can see these are the rims that are gonna be going on this car. We're gonna take the stock ones off, and like I was saying, we're gonna get these calipers freshened up into a nice color matched for the wrap. So going around to the front, I'm just going ahead and taking off this front splitter. You guys can see I already got the side pieces down. This one's broken. There's a chip out of it in the middle. We have a nice, fresh, brand new one that is gonna be installed. So we're gonna take this off, start taking off all of these grill pieces. That way we can get the wrap tucked in and everything wrapped properly. So I'm gonna go ahead, get this lift up and get this taken off. All right, so we dropped the front lip, got it all off. We're gonna go ahead and now get these trim pieces out of the bumper, take the front plate off, and then start cleaning it up, getting it ready for the wrap. All right guys, so we had the bumper fully removed. We got all the trim pieces out, and we're gonna be laying the bumper now. Just like that, guys, we have the car fully complete. Brand new calipers, brand new rims, brand new front lip. We got this one-of-one custom side skirt on the back. We got a fresh new high kick ducktail. We've got a beautiful rear diffuser that just ties everything together. We went ahead and did the chrome delete on the rear, leaving the infinity exposed in the chrome just so it pops. We redid the entire trim in gloss black vinyl. That way it pops out, including the door handles as well. Guys, this car came together beautiful, man. I love the way it looks, especially the rear accent piece we did on that side skirt. It just gives it a little more aggression to the look. And then you already know we went ahead and tied it together with these nice lime green Akibono recolored calipers that just match the wrap to a T. But guys, let's be real, we just can't get over this front end. So aggressive, man. Infinity killed it on these cars, the Q50s and the Q60. I just love the design, the front end, especially with this nice lip on there and all the gloss black accents. It just looks menacing. We also went ahead and redid the front grille in gloss black vinyl as well, just so it gives it all that high-end look. I'm super hyped on how this ended up, guys. This car couldn't have come out any better in my opinion. As always, you know, we got that Arctic styling AS on the gas cap just to stamp it as our car. And then we also did the chrome delete for the emblems. Those are just sprayed in plastic dip. The client didn't know if he wanted to keep them or not, so we didn't paint them. We just plastic dipped it so it's quick to remove. The rear end of the car is aggressive as well. And then of course, we can't forget about these nice 20-inch gloss black rims that just give it such a big menacing look. So yeah, guys, I just want to thank everyone for watching the videos. We're trying to make as much content as we can. Please let us know what you guys want to see, whether it's building cars, our clients' cars, our own cars, whatever it may be. Let us know in the comments and we'll try to cater to you guys on what you want to see. We're really trying to build this channel. I've seen the views going up crazy the last couple of months, so I appreciate everyone who's been watching. That being said, guys, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.